Welcome to School of Management, University Science Malaysia. University Science Malaysia is the only apex university in Malaysia. School of Management was established in 1989 with its mission to be a leading school of management in Asia by providing professional management education for holistic excellence.
Currently, School of Management USM provides these courses. The syllabus are always up to date to ensure that our graduates are competent and relevant to both national and global market. With top-notch facilities, friendly students, and awesome lecturers and staff, the school is absolutely a great place for you to pursue your academic excellence.
The School of Management also has a wide range of partnership locally and internationally. The school also works closely with the industry to make sure the students' skills and knowledge are always on par with the current industry trend. The School of Management has a mix of established professors to young academics who are translating their research into their teaching that will inspire the next generation who will change the world. Other than studies, the school also has very active student society. We have various activities and programs to build students' social and soft skills that can help with future career aspirations.
Once a SOMA, always a SOMA. The SUM Alumni Network is made up of graduates that work all around the world. Some of our alumnus now hold high-rank positions and some have even started up their own companies.
Here at the School of Management, we strive for holistic excellence. If you are looking for an institution that provides high-quality accredited programs, engaging learning environment with esteemed and innovative teaching staff, a reputable institution that produces students that are highly sought after by employees, located in the heart of UNESCO World Heritage Site that is rich in culture and known as the food heaven of Malaysia, you will find that the School of Management University Science Malaysia ticks all these boxes. We look forward to welcoming you to the School of Management.